Hi everyone, this is Zoe from Seneca, and today we're going to be looking at types of energy. So, a system is an object or group of objects. Energy can be stored in a system in lots of different ways. Some stores of energy are kinetic store, the energy stored by an object's movement. Next, gravitational potential store, the energy stored in objects raised above the Earth's surface. This energy exists because of the Earth's gravitational field. Chemical store, the energy stored by the chemical bonds between atoms. Elastic potential store, the energy stored when an object is being stretched, compressed, or squashed. Nuclear store, the energy stored in the nucleus of an atom. The energy in the nuclear store can be released by radioactive decay. And the internal store. The internal store of energy is the sum of the kinetic energy stored in the particles of an object and the chemical energy stored in chemical bonds between particles in the object. Skip. Okay. The amount of energy in an object's internal store is the sum of the kinetic and chemical stores of the object's particles. So the energy in an object's chemical store comes from the potential energy stored in the bonds between particles. And the kinetic store, the energy in an object's kinetic store, comes from the random motion of its particles. The temperature of a body or object is a measure of the energy in the kinetic stores of its particles. Increasing a body's temperature increases the energy in the kinetic stores of the particles, which means that the energy in the body's internal store also increases. Which of the following are true of the relationship between temperature and energy? I'll read the correct answer. Temperature increases the energy in the kinetic store. Increasing a body's temperature increases the energy in its internal store, and lots of energy in the kinetic store causes a high temperature. Heating an object increases the energy in the kinetic stores of the object's particles. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for joining, and we'll see you next time. Bye.